Dan, we're at the PC Laptops warehouse here in Midvale, Utah. If somebody puts in an order at a location, walk me through the process of how it kind of starts here at the warehouse.
Okay, so you go in the store, you talk to one of our sales bros or girls, and they hook you up with a system. They get you all written up, taken care of. And then this is where the magic happens. It's all built here. So when you've picked a certain video card, let's say you're getting this card here with this 5070, 5080, 5090, whatever that you're getting, that is all picked for you. You can pick different colors of cases, lights, power supplies, everything is custom built and hand assembled right here.
All right,
right here in Salt Lake.
All right, what do we have here? What's going on? What are we picking out right now?
So these are all the CPUs. The CPUs are the brains of your computer. And the cool thing is we have like the crazy super high-end stuff in stock, like the new here, oh man, look at this, 9950 right there. You also have the 9950 X3D in stock here, and you have all new Intel as well in stock, ready to go.
Wow. Next up is graphics cards, and I'm hearing that you guys have a lot of the ones that everybody's really trying to get their hands on.
Yeah, the big holy grail now is the upper end 50 series, 5080s, and 5090s. And we've got tons of them in stock right here in Salt Lake City. And the cool thing is, a lot of times when you order a computer, they're ready to go in our store. So you can just pick them up and go. But a lot of people want custom stuff. You know, they want this particular video card, this particular cooler. And we do that all hand built right here in Utah.
This thing looks insane. I need you to tell me about it.
Okay, this machine, 5090 card, and what's really cool about these new coolers, you can put almost any graphic on the background here.
Wow.
So you could have your Catman, you could have your favorite characters and all that right here. You can pick your lighting, your colors, your fans, and this is just a nice, really small, tight gaming rig that's ready to go. In fact, you can stop by any PC Laptops location, and we've got some of these ready to rock for you right now.
All right, what's up with this like water cooler? Is it just for looks or does it actually do anything?
The cool thing about it is the water cooling actually makes your computer run cooler, and that way you can overclock different components and you can get faster frames when you're gaming. Pretty cool though, but so it's functional, and you can pick any color that you want to go inside for your water cooler.
So if I wanted red, I could get red.
You can get red if you like red, man.
Okay. We've picked out all the parts, the GPU, CPU, everything like that. Now we're in the location where you actually build it. Kind of walk us through that process.
All right, so everything is hand built there from all those components that you as a customer have picked, whatever color you want, whatever size you want of your computer. This is where it's all built. It's also tested. We burn in every computer and we stress test it to make sure that everything is super reliable, because you know we give you that lifetime service guarantee, so it's got to be rock solid.
Okay. These rigs look a lot different than anything else. What's the difference between these ones and the other ones?
These are mainly workstations. So these are designed for businesses to use. So whether you're making a movie, video games, doing financial analysis, any of that kind of stuff, that's what these machines are primarily for. And a lot of companies like that lifetime service guarantee, especially if they're local here in Utah, because if something goes wrong, they got us face to face to take care of it really quick.
Okay, we've built the computer, everything like that. What's next?
All right, after everything's built, burned in, tested, stress tested, all that, it's brought here to our docks. They're shipped to the stores, and that's where you can pick up your computer. And what's really cool, again, we've talked about it, but we've got laptops and desktops from $9.99 with a lifetime service guarantee. That's fire.
This video is brought to you by SLC Scoop in collaboration with PC Laptops.